Good morning, Akshita. We'll continue from yesterday's good problems. So I'm continuing that because problems are really some problems are really very good. We have completed 10, 11, 12. We have to do ninth one. Yeah. See this ninth question. A circular patch of grass has a diameter of 8.5. That's 8.5. How much further does Nina walk if she walks around the border instead of directly across it? I don't understand it. Circular, how much further does Nina walk? So here further means how much more, means it's like something subtraction. Does Nina walk if she walks around the border instead of directly across it? Okay, give your answer correct to the nearest 0.1 meter. Okay, so Akshita, what is my understanding? I will say you here. If she might be, this is called walking across directly. If we calculate that walking across, directly across it, they have told na, directly across it, matlab Nina will walk 8.5 meter, exactly diameter length na, because this length what you see here, it's nothing but diameter, that pink color line, diameter, right? So she walks exactly 8.5 meters. Now second one, if she walks around the border, so should we take it as semi perimeter, or should we take the full perimeter? I think so. See, if Nina has to walk around the border, let's say Nina is coming here and going out. Now she will be walking in this red color line to come like this, right? So now Nina has to walk semi perimeter or half of the circumference. How much is that? Let's calculate. The formula for half of the circumference is half into pi d. So half into pi into the diameter is 8.5. Let me bring my calculator. Okay, 0.5 into pi into 8.5. I'm getting this length as 13.35 meter approximately. Okay, now we want how much further she would have walked, correct? So 13.35 minus 8.5. You will be getting 4.85 and they ask it to the nearest 0.1 meter. So you will be getting the answer as 4.9 meters. Correct. Now I think this is 4.9. Whether answer is correct or not, Akshita, please check it. Anything wrong, and if you have the proper idea, please go ahead with that and just message me in the WhatsApp. Okay. This is about the ninth question. Now see this eighth one. I'm reading it loud. A circular pond of diameter 10 meter is surrounded by a path of 1 meter wide. Calculate the area of the path. Correct to 2 decimal places. Okay. I'll do one thing. There is a pond. And around the pond, you'll find a circular path. Something like this. Yeah, this is a pond around which there are pavers. Okay, just around the pond there is a way where people can walk, right? So now that way ka area he is asking, area of that. So that's going to be bigger circle area minus smaller circle area. Bigger circle area will be pi into how much is the radius of the bigger circle. See carefully, for this smaller circle, they told diameter is 10, therefore radius is 5, and the extra they told that this length will be the width of the path. How much? 1 meter wide. See, they have told it. So this is 1 meter and this is also 1 meter. So the bigger radius will become 6 square. Clear? Minus pi into inner circle 5 square. Pi into 36 minus 25, that is 11 pi. 11 into pi na. You also please do calculation, sometimes I might be wrong. Correct to 2 decimal places. I am getting it as 34.56 meter square. This is the path area. I think you got it. Now I'll just make this small. They want if pavers are rupees $75. Rupees, right? $75 per square meter laid. What is the cost of the path? Okay. See, we got the area as 34.56 meter square. And now pavers, matlab, I'm just guessing, we did not know the exact meaning. Like somebody is putting some tiles or like properly laying down the road and everything. Per meter square, they are taking $75. Therefore, the cost for total paving will be 34.56 into 75. 34.56 into 75. You will be getting exactly, you are getting $2592. Always, once the sum is completed, Akshita, please take the answers back. Anything wrong, please inform me. So this is the total cost for paving. Okay, please note down. I'm going ahead. Eighth one is successfully over. We are going to the seventh one. A circular plate of diameter 2 meters has 250 holes of diameter 10 centimeter drilled into it. What is the remaining area of the plate? Answer to nearest point 1 meter. Okay, if you see this carefully, you have circular plate, and inside which you have plenty of holes. Now all holes are of same size. In my diagram they are not being shown. Like this, there are how many holes? Holes are being drilled. Remaining the whole plate. Yeah, plate is looking like this. Fine. He's asking what is the remaining area. So you can get it by total circular plate area minus holes area. There are totally 250 holes. The total circular plate area will become, diameter is 2 meters, radius is 1, pi into 1 square, minus holes are 250, so 250 into 1 hole ka diameter is 10, so radius is 5. Actually you have to be very careful here. Pi into r square, we do it right. This calculation should be done very carefully. Why? Because here it is in centimeters. So first let's do this calculation. Let's do it this side. R square, right? That is 5 centimeter into 5 centimeter. 1 centimeter is 1 by 100 meters. So 5 by 100 into 5 by 100. That's going to be 25 by 10,000 or 0.0025 meter square. Is this clear? So this r square value, we have to use it in this calculation. Pi into 1 is pi minus 250 into pi into 0.0025. So I'm calculating using the calculator. Pi into you'll be getting this as 1.178 something, but they asked to nearest point, so it's going to be 1.8 meter square. So remaining area, so after cutting off all the holes, 250 holes is like too much. When you cut all that, the remaining gray area is just 1.8 meter square. Once after noting down, please take the answer. I'm going ahead to the sixth problem. Okay, some part of the question is missing. No, nothing. Okay, yeah, question is fully there. The diameter of Earth is 12,756 kilometers. Find the circumference of that to the nearest kilometer. So diameter is given to you 12,756. They are asking you. I'm doing a bit here. Circumference. Circumference formula is pi d. So pi into 12756. They are asking you to calculate to nearest kilometer. So I'm getting it as 40074.155. The actual answer will become, since they asked it nearest, 40074 kilometers. Check the answer. We are doubtful in this kind of questions. Okay, now we'll go to the B bit. B bit is a space lab orbits the Earth at a height of 1200 kilometers. Okay, these are the current above the Earth's surface. Find the distance it travels in one orbit of the Earth. Simple. See, they're asking again circumference only. Above the height of 1200 above the Earth's surface. So this is very tricky question, Akshita. Very tricky question and very good question. Please focus on this very carefully. Space lab orbits at now. This is our Earth, green Earth. Okay. Space lab is somewhere here. What is the height of the space lab from the Earth's surface? They told the height is 1200 kilometers. But now they're asking find the distance it travels. So it orbits like this. Nothing but we have to do circumference 2 pi r. What we generally do it in tension without knowing exactly. We write 2 into pi into 1200. That is wrong, Akshita. We should not write 1200. We should calculate the radius from the center. For that only they have given the first question. They have given diameter as 12,756, right? Therefore, radius will become 12,756 divided by 2. 6,378 kilometers. So 6,378. Now this will be the total radius for the space lab. So this total radius will become 6,378 plus 1200, that is 7578. Answer will become 2 into shift pi into 7578. Did they say find the distance travels in one orbit? Nothing. He did not say any nearest kilometer or so, but it's coming like 47613.978. If at all we want to convert nearest kilometers, 47614 kilometers it travels. The 47,000 kilometers. approximately. So this is something a tricky question, sixth one. Please take the note. Nice question. Okay, I'll just wait. Please complete noting that. Okay, now I'm going to the fifth question, Akshita. A circular playing field has a radius of 80 meters. A rectangular cricket pitch measuring 25 is placed in the middle, just like our stadiums. This is a big stadium, and inside which rectangular cricket playing pitch is kept. This is 25 meter, and this is just 2 meter. Radius 80 na for circular pitch. Actually, then let there be circle here. The field excluding the pitch is to be fertilized. Okay. Fertilized matlab, let's take the color blue. On blue na, why it came like that? Okay, I think it's clearly visible. Except the pitch, everything else has to be fertilized. Okay, I think everything on the screen is properly visible to you. Now, calculate correct to the nearest square meter the area to be fertilized. So first they want the blue color area, nothing but circle area minus rectangle area. Nearest square meter. Circle area will be pi into 80 square minus rectangle area 25 into 2, 50. Calculating it. I am getting this answer as 20056.192. They want answer to the nearest meter, so it will become 20056 meter square. This is A bit. Now, going to the B bit. How much will this cost if the fertilizer is $19.95 per 100 square meters? Just $1. How much will this cost if the fertilizer is $19.95 per 100 square meter? How do we do that? So 20056, they are saying per 100 na, so we will divide this with 100, then into 19.95. I think this calculation is understandable by you because he is saying per 100 square meter, right? So we are dividing the 20056 meters square with 100 to get number of 100 square meters into 19.95. Let's see what answer we will be getting. If not understood, please message me that you do not understand this. It's easy only. I am getting it as 4001.172. If you round it up to nearest dollar, you will be getting $4,001. I think once check the answer, you will be getting the same. Okay, I'm a little slow because I have fever actually, Akshita. Sorry in that. Wanted to complete this circle ka thing. Okay, if it's done, I will just give you some homework questions. You can do it peacefully. Okay, 4, 3, these are all so much. See, first question and second question, we need to do some questions for practice. First question completely will avoid, no need to do. In the second question, which questions to be done, I'll put tick in my on my board. See, in the second question, you can do this bit H, and you can do G and E. These 4 questions are sufficient. Please do them as homework. Next, third one, there are many. Hope Sakshita, please take 2 days time. Don't be in hurry of completing this. If you are able to complete in 1 day, that's like great thing. Okay, see this one. Find the perimeter and area of each shape. All these questions are very important. You need to get a proper practice. If at all you do it in the school, then do one thing. These 3 questions look little good than the first 3. You can do this as homework. First do this, Akshita, no worries. When the exam comes, we will do all the remaining questions which we left out. Okay, do this tick red color questions. Even these questions are also important. G H I. Okay, now we are left out with only 4th question. This 4th question we will do it later. First of all, these are your homeworks. I'll put it in the WhatsApp group. Okay, fine Akshita, we will stop the class over here. Thank you.